morning, dear children. Today we will start with chapter number 3, our water wealth. Water is an important and essential natural resource. All living things are dependent on water. We need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, bathing, washing, etc. It is also required for growing crops. Animals also need water for drinking and bathing. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water in the form of oceans, rivers and lakes. Yet we find we have scarcity of water because ocean and sea water is not fit for drinking. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Many farmers depend upon rain water for their crops. Providing water. River water. In the places where there are rivers, river water is cleaned and supplied as drinking water. It is also used for irrigation. Wells and tube wells. In places where sufficient groundwater is available, wells are dug. Tube wells are wells in which pumps are installed. These are used widely for irrigation. Hand pumps are also used to draw out underground water. Canals. In the region where there is shortage of water, a canal is dug to take the river water. Tanks. In places where it is difficult to dig wells, people use tanks to collect rainwater. Dams. A dam is a very strong wall built across a river to block the flow of water. This water is stored in an artificial lake called reservoir. The stored water is taken to the field through canals whenever there is shortage of water. The force of falling water from the reservoir is used to generate electricity. Electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. Since dams are useful in so many different ways, they are called multi-purpose projects. In spite of their usefulness, dams are discouraged because they displace a large number of people living in that area. They also destroy animal and plant life in that region. Rainwater harvesting. It is a method of preventing rainwater from flowing away. In this method, rainwater falling on the roofs of buildings and the ground is allowed to flow into a deep hole dug in the ground. It thus adds to the groundwater. So children, remember, each and every drop of water is precious. We should not waste it. Instead, we should use it wisely. Thank you.